Ito ang translation ng ano, Arabic. 994. Oh.
Emergency hotline.
Emergency hotline. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Basahin mo nga sa English.
Municipality of Kingdom of Alcobar. Municipality of Kingdom of Alcobar.
Ito.
No swimming.
No swimming at this point. Please, take care of your things and valuable things.
Saka yung numero.
994.
In case of emergency, call 994.
At 9994. And also, Prince Abdul.
Ito yung mga translator, oh.
Prince Abdul Jakol. Prince Abdul Jakol.
Translator.
Municipality of Caloocan, Alcobar. Thanks and praise of
Thanks
Allah.
and disregard.
Thanks and praise of Allah. Allah. Thank you. Welcome again. Welcome.